Okay guys, so I did the AM modulation and there's a FM option too. Might as well to do it. When you go to function, you can go to option 30. There's a FM Deviation. Not sure why we have 2K, 4K. I'm sure 4K is gonna be better than 2K, but well, we're gonna hear the difference. Okay, so I'm gonna run 4K, 2K, and see, and we hear how it sounds. All right, let's do it.
All right, so this is FM, and this is deviation 4 kilohertz. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I mean, it sounds really good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check, check. Okay, this is FM deviation 2 kilohertz. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I'm speaking at the same distance from the microphone, about 2 inches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is FM deviation 4 kilohertz. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same distance, 2 inches from microphone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check, check. And again, FM deviation 2 kilohertz. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check, check. 73.